Welcome to the WPC Plus online platform, everything you need to organize tournaments. His tutorial explains how to submit a team application for Contenders or the games of the future as an application owner. To get started, open the invitation link you received by email. Set your account password. It must be 8 to 20 characters and include uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and special characters. Then click Sign In. Next, complete your profile. Fill in your first and last name, email, country of citizenship, date of birth, and gender. All fields marked with an asterisk are required. Once done, click Save. After logging in, go to the Tournaments section. Find the tournament you want to apply for and open it. In our example, this is Games of the Future Basketball. Inside the tournament, switch to the Teams tab. Team applications are managed in this tab. If you have existing teams, you will see them under My Teams. To start a new application, click Create Team. First, specify the organization type. Legal entity. Choose this if the team represents a registered organization, club, or federation. The participation agreement is signed with the organization. Individual agreements. Choose this option if the team consists of independent players and does not represent a formal organization, and the prize money will be paid out to each participant in equal shares. In this case, each athlete signs a separate participation agreement, and each player will need to provide their own personal bank account details. The application has 4 steps: team, athletes, team officials, and completion. Let's start with team. The fields available in the team step depend on the selected organization type. The instructions below show the legal entity scenario. If you chose individual agreements, the steps are the same, except that the team-level bank info section is skipped and personal bank details are entered at the athlete level. In the organization info section, fill in the official information about the legal entity or organization that represents the team. Specify the organization's full legal name, country, address, and contact details, phone number, and email. Then provide the head of organization details, the person who owns or leads the organization, first name, last name, phone number, and email. Finally, the application owner block is pre-filled with your own details, first name, last name, and email. This is the person who will be responsible for the application and will sign the participation documents on behalf of the organization. If you chose individual agreements as the organization type, the organization info section only contains the application owner block. Since there is no organization behind the team, the other fields are not required. If any of the pre-filled data needs to be corrected, please contact support. It cannot be changed directly in the form. At this stage, an important choice is required. You can either complete the entire application or delegate it to a team manager. Both options are shown below. Choose the appropriate one. Option A. The application owner acts as the team manager. Keep the Add Team Manager toggle off. All team data is entered in a single session. Continue with the bank details and the rest of the form. Option B. Delegate the application to a team manager who will complete the team data on the team's behalf. Switch the Add Team Manager toggle on. Enter the team manager's email address. If this person is also part of the team on the field, choose Add as an athlete or Add as a team official. If the person is only handling paperwork, leave the option unchanged. This section appears only when the organization type is legal entity. For individual agreements, bank details are entered at the athlete level. We will cover that in the athlete step. Next, fill in the bank details. This account will be included in the participation agreement, and prize money will be paid to it. Enter the beneficiary name and address, IBAN or account number, and the bank's name and SWIFT code. Please note that the account must be in US dollars. We are unable to pay out prize money to accounts in other currencies. Now upload the participation agreement. Click Download Template. Print the document. Sign it, scan it, and upload the scanned PDF back to the form. In the Public Info section, fill in the team details that will appear on social media, official tournament websites, and during broadcasts. Add your team logo. To upload a logo, provide both a raster and a vector version. The raster logo should be uploaded in PNG format with a transparent background, a minimum size of 500 pixels, and a file size not exceeding 1 megabyte. The vector logo should be uploaded in SVG format with a transparent background. A monochrome version, preferably white, is recommended. If a vector version is not available, select the corresponding option to allow the system to generate one from the raster logo. After uploading the required files, Click Upload Logo. Enter full team name and a short name of 3 to 4 letters. Specify the country and city. Write a brief description of your team in the About field, and add links to your team's social media. If your team's social channels have more than 100,000 followers, enable the corresponding checkbox. When everything is filled in, click Next Step. On the Athletes step, add the team's players. Before filling in athlete data, you have a choice. You can either fill in all athlete information yourself, or invite the athlete to complete their own profile. To invite the athlete, enter their email when adding them. They will receive an invitation link and complete their data independently. Any fields you fill in advance will be pre-filled when the athlete opens their form. The athlete will only need to review and complete the rest. Each athlete profile has 5 sections: public info, game information, personal data, visa support, and additional documents. In public info, upload the athlete's photo and enter the public name and last name, the names that will be announced during broadcasts. Add their social media links and specify the languages the athlete speaks. This information is used by the broadcast team for interviews. Fill in the optional fields: previous phygital competitions, sports achievements, 4 interesting facts about the athlete, and prize money won in past tournaments. In game information, select the athlete's position. If the discipline involves team-based gameplay, also assign a jersey number. Enter the athlete's nickname. It must match the in-game username exactly. If the athlete has a registered in-game username, that username should be used as the nickname. If the athlete does not have one, create a new nickname. The athlete's first or last name can also be used. For example, Alex, Smith, or Shadow X. Add the gaming platform ID. Depending on the discipline, this may be a PSN ID, Steam ID, or another identifier. In personal data, upload the accreditation photo. Fill in the official first, last, and middle names exactly as in the passport. Add gender, date of birth, place of birth, and citizenship. Specify the document type, usually passport, along with the document series, number, issuing authority, date of issue, and date of expiry. Provide the mobile number with country code, the emergency contact, typically a parent's number, email, and the international airport of initial departure. The visa support section is required if the athlete needs a visa to enter the host country. Fill in place of birth, country of document issue, place of work, the organization name and position at work, and the address of residence in your home country. If the athlete already has accommodation in the host country, fill in the residential address. It's optional, but helpful. This data is used to issue an official visa support letter. If the team's organization type is individual agreements, each athlete must also provide their own personal bank details. This block appears in the athlete's profile and contains the same fields as the team-level bank info section: beneficiary name and address, IBAN or account number, the bank's name and SWIFT code. The account must be in US dollars. For the legal entity organization type, this section does not appear. Prize money is paid out at the team level. Now upload the required documents. The documents are organized into 2 groups. First group, passport, medical certificate, and insurance. Just upload your existing scans. Please note that a medical certificate is not required for the following disciplines: PUBG, Dota, and MLBB. Second group, additional consent forms. For each one, click Download Template, print the document, sign it, scan it, and upload back. These include the Acknowledgement of Understanding and Waiver, and the consent to the processing of personal data. If the athlete is under 18, the parent-guardian consent form is also required. The appropriate document template is displayed automatically according to the athlete's age. For the individual agreement's organization type, an additional agreement to participate in the tournament document may also be required. To add another athlete, click Add New Athlete and repeat the process. When all athletes are added, click Next Step. On the Team Officials step, add the team's coaching and support staff. The form is similar to the athlete's step, with 2 differences. Instead of game information, an About Yourself field is provided for personal background, and a medical certificate is not required for team officials. Fill in public info, personal data, and visa support, then upload the required and additional documents. Add new team official to add another participant, then click Next Step when done. On the completion step, a summary of all team members is displayed. Review the list of athletes and team officials, including their document completion status. Choose the team representative. the person who will be the main contact for tournament organizers. To submit it for review, click Apply. Once submitted, the application goes to the tournament administrators for approval. The team is registered for the tournament only after the application is approved by the administrators. If something needs to be corrected, the application can be sent back for revision. You will be notified and asked to update the relevant information. As mentioned earlier, you don't have to fill in every athlete's data yourself. You can invite athletes to complete their own profiles. Just enter their email when adding them, and they will receive a link to fill in and confirm their participation independently. If you have any questions, please contact our support team. You can either submit a request through the support form available on the platform or email us at support@results.com. Good luck. See you on the field.